Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome, I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this mint green nail look with silver striping tape because, well, I think it looks nice and I feel like sharing. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with bare natural nails and I'm going to add my base coat. So I'm starting off by painting my nails and making sure that I wrap the edge of the nail to help the manicure last longer, or nail look, whatever you want to call it. And I'm then going in and doing a second coat. It's not necessary, I'm just extra, but one base coat will do, to be honest. Next, I'm adding on the mint green nail color. I'm starting off with my baby fingernail and I'm painting the whole nail and making sure to wrap the edge of the nail, again to just help the nail polish last longer. Then I'm going in with this creamy nude peachy color and I'm painting my ring fingernail with that, then my middle fingernail. Then I'm going back to the mint green color and painting my index fingernail and my thumbnail. Once that's done, I'm going to do a second coat of all the colors. This just makes the colors just look a bit more opaque and, well, look better in my opinion. Again, I'm wrapping the edges.
Hey guys, so now we're going to put sellotape on the ring finger and the middle finger. Once we've done that, we're going to get the mint green and paint over the sellotape so we get that nice look on the edge of your finger and it'll look either a bit more extra before we put the stripes on. So as you can see, my auntie's just painting her nails at the moment. Now we're gonna take off the sellotape after it dries. As you see, it's a really nice look. And now we're going to put the sellotape on the same fingers again, the ring finger and the middle finger. Get the same colour, mint green. You do that, and then you do the same thing but on the other side of it. But before you do that, make sure it dries, otherwise it will smudge it. Once you've done that, make sure you peel off the sellotape. Hey guys, so now I'm back. We're gonna now we're gonna get striping tape and make a V shape on the finger to a nice little look or pattern. Sometimes we do the X, but this time we're gonna do the V. So we're gonna do the same thing on the next finger with the striping tape, make a V shape. It's only on these two, but we're going to leave out the other fingers. So now we do it again, but on another layer, and make a similar pattern, but this time it's going to look like an X, not a V. Now we are going to get the top coat for the finishing look, and we are so it will last longer and the nail polish will stay on for at least 2 weeks or more. So this is the finished look. So see you next time. Like, subscribe, comment down below.
And you can follow me on my Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails, where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!